As far as bet support floor goes, Vechain Zamab is currently at 2 cents, which is a really big number. However, it faces opposition at 2 cents, which is a really big number. As of now, Vechain is valued at 1 cent on May 8, 2023. In this video, we'll walk you through the Vechain cost exam for now or for about a week from now. We'll try to answer the questions that most people usually ask to get answers to important questions. What are the short-term price predictions for Vechain? Generally, this is a good bet, or so they thought. However, before we get too deep into the bet technical analysis, let's talk about the current economy. Bitcoin shares 46.94% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33%, so the especially all-out exchanging volume sort of stands at 47,516,158,315, which generally is genuinely critical, which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,561.87 level after a decay of 4.43% or so they fundamentally thought. Various elective cryptographic forms of money as Ethereum certainly has seen a value decline of 3.71% coming to 1841.73 during the past 24 hours, which sort of is very critical, while distributing this blog BNB exchanged at $313.13 following a value change of 3.17% within a similar time period. In an especially significant manner, XRP, the genuinely local coin of XRP, truly is somewhere near 6.93 and as of now exchanging at 42 cents, so which most certainly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to 27,561.87 level after a decay of 4.43 in every practical sense significant way. Furthermore, after losing 0.77% of its value, Coco's BCX fell to 60 cents. This shows that the market as a whole is going down at the moment. Also, look at how Bitcoin has 46.94% of the entry market and Ethereum has 16.33%, so the total trading volume is still 47,516,155,583 BTC. The total trading volume is still 47,516,158,315. In a simple way, Vechain support and resistance are important technical indicators used to find key price levels where a trend might change. In the past 24 hours, the value of Ethereum has dropped by 3.71% to 1841.73, which is a big change. Similarly, obstruction is a level at which traders become more active and stop the coin's price from going up, which is also a big change. Vechain punishment: the current price of Vechain is 1 cent, and $50,503,416 worth of Vechain has been traded in the form of fiat currency. Beyond 24 hours showing how market analysis over the last 24 hours, there was a loss of 1.84%, bringing the whole digital money market to $1136850397543, and for the most part significant way right now, that is somewhere around 6.01% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $1,396,500,920. Day-to-day time span truly made sense of beneath, or so they fundamentally thought. We utilize truly relative strength index moving especially normal combination and disparity backing levels opposition levels different time span moving midpoints including commonly straightforward moving truly normal and dramatic moving kind of normal to examine the future development of the Vechain truly in spite of prevalent thinking. In a real sense, the Vechain truly has explicitly break all its especially upholds levels, and things really are not looking fundamentally great for the crypto market, which basically is very huge as of now. Essentially, bears generally are in charge of the market and effectively take VET costs underneath the significant help level of 2 cents in a buy and large enormous manner, while VET's Williams percent or marker in every way that really matters is at 26.667. For the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition and exchange exceptionally signal certainly is genuinely conceivable at this reach. Amazingly, the VET USD moving especially normal union and difference pointer clearly shows that now is a good time to sell. The MACD line is moving below the lovely sine line, which means that bears are looking strong, which is important. The relative strength record for Vechain is currently hovering at 38 for 14 days, which is a pretty normal line. This means that Vechain is just recovering from being oversold, and that Vechain is struggling and, contrary to popular belief, people are investing in the digital currency. Crypto investors really want to see the VET move into a certain zone that shows that bears are in charge of the market and take the price below the critical support level of 2 cents in a big way in 2022. After that, the price of Vechain has a big chance of going up, showing that Vechain is really worth 1 cent on May 8, 2023. In this video, we'll show you how to do a Vechain cost examination for now or for a special event a week from now. We'll try to answer these questions, which often help explain or solve urgent problems. What is usually a short-term cost assumption for Vechain in particular is usually better for the most invest in something that is really important. Before deciding if this is a good investment for you, you should do your own research. Union and different amounts of support and opposition, different time period moving midpoints, like really simple moving very normal and dramatic moving very normal, to for the most part card look at the future growth of the Vechain, which is really huge. Tuesday, the price of Bitcoin stayed below a key price floor as investors got ready for retail sales data from the US. As inflation starts to slow down, sales in the US are expected to go up after going down for 2 months. Ethereum's price is still more than $1,800. Bitcoin, BTC, prices stayed the same during today's session as markets got ready for the latest US retail sales numbers. As inflation goes down, sales are expected to go up by 0.8% in April, after going down for 2 months in a row. Tuesday, BTC/USD went from a high of $27,646.35 to a low of $26,878.95 during the same day. The price of Bitcoin has since gone back up, and it is now worth $27,097.23. The main reason for today's drop seems to be that the Relative Strength Index, RSI, failed to break out at 42.00. The index is currently moving around 41.06, with a floor of 38.00 as a possible goal if momentum keeps going down, even though ETH had a small drop below 1,008.